The Center of Innovation program was created by the North Carolina Biotechnology Center with the goal of accelerating commercialization within specific industry sectors to foster company creation and job growth in North Carolina. We currently have funded centers of innovation in the areas of marine biotechnology, nanobiotechnology, and advanced medical devices. While each of these are separate entities from each other and from the Biotechnology Center, they all have a common focus area of market-driven open innovation and accelerating commercialization within their industry sectors.
Xanify has created a unique liquid-based process for manufacturing nanofibers that has tremendous unlimited potential.
The challenge for them is where to start.
Startup technology companies have a wide range of needs when they're getting established. There's funding needs, there's technology needs, there's market needs. COIN has really been the connective tissue for Xanify that has made all that happen.
One of the first things we did for Miles was to invite him to participate in our roundtables and other events where he was able to raise the profile of his young company Xanify and make very important business contacts.
Xanify has a great story to tell. We started in NC State labs. We have hired 9 people in just 18 months, and we're on a path to commercialization that will create more jobs and opportunities in North Carolina.
COIN's roundtable series and other events provide a forum for open market-driven innovation.
BD is a leading medical technology company that has many disposable medical products, diagnostic products, as well as scientific instruments. And BD Technologies works at the front end of innovation and developing new technologies for each of those businesses.
When I met with Charles, there were 2 things that he was looking for. One was to increase their interaction with some of the universities, and the other thing was to identify some federal grants that they might be eligible for. So as we worked together with his team, we identified an NIH grant that was to identify opportunities for point-of-care technologies for patients. Diabetes was a great fit.
The cost of treatment can be beyond what many people can bear, and the cost of not treating has a tremendous impact on people's lives downstream because of the complications of the disease.
Ability works closely with UNC and NC State, and through our relationships we identified 2 great principal investigators. One is Dr. John Buse, who is the former head of the American Diabetes Association, and the other is Dr. Ramsey, who had specific expertise in the technologies that would be developed under this project.
The university's role typically is to invent new technology, and the hospitals and the medical part of the university's role is to do a lot of clinical testing. Our role is in the middle of that, where we take the inventions and turn them into usable technology and devices.
Ability enables new types of business partnerships, partnerships between hospitals and insurance companies, medical technology companies, and universities, all working together to develop the newest technologies in the most cost-effective and efficient manner to benefit patients.
The hope is for something that can make a significant difference, and that would mean something in the order of a factor of 10, an order of magnitude. So if we're talking about $3, $4, $5 a day, we're talking about bringing this down to 30, 40, 50 cents a day.
The mission of Ability is to bring the best medical technologies to patients as quickly and cost-effectively as possible.
The Centers of Innovation program was created to foster industry sector growth in North Carolina. Industry sectors only grow when companies are successful in commercializing their products. The Centers of Innovation focus on accelerating commercialization within their industry sectors. Ultimately, this translates into new company formation, company growth, and jobs for North Carolina.